Hello and welcome to Thailand. It is Piggle's birthday and his friends are celebrating his birthday, and his friends got him a very special present today. It is let's put you up there. There you go. And it is the Piggle wooden stacking toy, and it looks like he's doing a little dance. And there's the ball in the background. Let's put Piggle apart. First we have his head, and then his arms, and his legs, and we're going to get out the puzzle. And we're going to put him apart on the puzzle. First we have the head, and it goes over here. There, I guess, yeah. And then we have his body. You know where his body is? There. Let's put it right. Perfect. Then his legs. There we go. Very nice. There's Iggle on the thing again. Thank you for coming to Thailand. Please subscribe to our videos. It's free, and if you don't want to have to subscribe, you can change your mind later, or you can think about it. Thank you for coming to Thailand. Goodbye.